Welcome to another edition of my quarantine cooking challenge. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm just giving you a view of our produce corner here. We try to make it pretty with the orchids. And this is right on our countertop, right near the sink, so it's easily accessible. Some of my favorite things, I love butternut squash. Bill has to have citrus every day. I love scallions. We start the day with lemon water. Always do avocados every day. And being upstate New Yorkers, we love apples. And this is one of our favorite ways. Let me zoom over here. Look, I've just cut up about 6 or 7 apples, piled them into a tagine. I'm gonna put the lid on, bake them for about half an hour. And then the trick is leave it in the tagine overnight. It's about 9 o'clock right now. It's a nice little evening activity you can do. The cores we save for our friends the squirrels, who are very grateful, and I will show you the end result tomorrow morning. But this makes a wonderful warm apple dish. It's kind of like apple pie without that annoying crust.